Hey guys, Dalton here with Byrider Madison. Wanted to make a quick video for you, kind of just giving you some tips on how to save or how to get the most out of your money for obviously driving this spring coming up. Going to be a lot of people driving now. Weather's getting really nice. So some quick tips for you. Obviously, first things first is definitely the type of vehicle that you drive. Some vehicles are just better on gas, especially the four cylinders. So you're looking to definitely get into something that's going to save you, definitely the money for the miles per gallon and everything. A four cylinder is definitely the way to go. Otherwise, just making sure that your car's up on maintenance so it can run at its like top performance. Definitely a huge thing. All the oil changes are done properly. Your tires are filled, tire pressure is all good. Stuff like that. Definitely going to save you. And also just how you drive the vehicle, altogether. Just not flooring it all the places, taking off real quickly, all that stuff. Definitely going to, save you on gas, while you're driving. Those are just some quick tips for you. If you are looking for a vehicle, definitely give us a call. We'd be glad to try and help you. 608-663-1213. Dalton, Byrider Madison. Give us a call. Bye.